This is another beautiful home offered by Mobile Home Factory in Space 20 in Lake Perris Village. Beautiful home with a porch, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Going to be showing you the home. We walk through it. This is the living room. Has a 2-inch Fox blinds. Dining room. Very large dining room. And we have a beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Microwave. Stove. And a dishwasher. Nice wooden cabinets with a pull-out faucet. Again, with a beautiful view towards the front of the house. Nice large dining room here. This is the hallway. This is your laundry room here. Nice door. Laundry room area for your washer and dryer. All hookups available there. This is a guest bathroom. Nice guest bathroom with a full shower and tub. This is 1 bedroom with a full closet. Bedroom number 2. Beautiful flooring. Full-on closet. Now this is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet. And a full bathroom. And a shower. It's a walk-in shower with a couple of benches on each side. This home, it's being offered at $210,000. You can call 818-535-4039 or call Monica at 818-968-3791. This is a beautiful, beautiful home in a beautiful park, family park in Perris, California. And this home, like I said, it's gonna go fast. We're going to be doing open houses on the weekends. Give us a call at 818-535-4039 or 818-968-3791. Thank you.